Welcome to ToolSpecs. So you have a flat tire on your vehicle. There's a nail or a screw in it. I'll show you how to fix this very quick so you don't have to lose time going to a shop. So here's the couple things that you're going to need. First of all, a hair compressor to put the hair back into your tire when you're done. You're going to need a pair of side cutters so you can grab the nail out of there. You're also going to need the tools to plug your tire. Some plugs. This is the reamer tool, and this is to hold the plugs to push it into your tire. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do here is remove the piece that is stuck. In this case here, that's a screw, so I'm trying to grab it as low as I can from underneath. And I reach a little bit of air. That was what was stuck in here. So the next thing we have to do, so your tire here have some steel plies in here. So we don't want this to rip the plug as we're pushing it in. So I have to use the reamer tool, and what that's going to do is it's going to shave up all of those little pieces of wire in here. So you just put it in the hole here, and then there's good handle to hit so you can grab it properly. And now you're going to push as hard as you can to bring the tool in. You might have to twist a little bit. You want to go on the same angle that the screw or the nail that you took out of there. So I'm going to put it in and out a few times. So it's nice and free to go in there. And I'm doing a twisting motion at the same time. Try to get some of that wire trimmed out of there. Okay, so now you can see how easy it is to move. I'm gonna remove this tool. We're going to have more air spitting out of there. There's no worry because we're putting air back. Now if you would be on the side of the road stuck doing this, and you want to keep as much air as you can in the tire so you can make it to the gas station to top up some air, then I would leave this tool in for now and start setting up this tool. So you're going to grab one of your plug. Those kit of plug, they're pretty cheap. They barely cost anything to buy those kits. It's nice to have in your car. Keep that in your trunk or anything like this. It's a little bit sticky, don't worry about it. So this tool I have a cutout here, so we're gonna put their plug so it's a halfway into this cutout. You can just rotate it as you're putting it, and then now when we push it into the tire, it's gonna go like this. So now we're gonna remove this tool. You can point a bit. You're gonna push it inside here with your plug. You might want to twist it as you're going in. As you can see, this is not super easy to do. But it is going in. Now you don't want to go all the way in because you don't want to lose your plug in here. So you gotta go so it's a little bit above the tire tread here. And now we're gonna pull it. As we pull, the plug actually slides out of there and it stays in here. Now it's not leaking anymore, so all you have to do is just grab your side cutters and then you just trim your plug like this as low as you can, and you don't have to worry about it. As you're driving down the road, it's gonna wear down exactly the same as your tread of your tire. So all you need to do now is just find out what the air pressure that your vehicle takes. Usually you can see that into your driver's side on the sticker. Almost every vehicle out there, cars or truck, will have the sticker that shows you your air pressure in your tire and your door here by the lock. So for this car, for example, it tells you which size of tire you're supposed to use, and they're supposed to be at front 32 psi, rear 32 psi, and your spare tire 60 psi. Now that's a good habit to have, like at least once or twice a year when the weather's changing, check the psi for your spare tire. Top up your tire and you can put it back on your car. You can even do that while when your tire is still on your vehicle. But in this case we're doing brakes on there, so we're going to just put the air in there and it's going to be ready to go after a brake job. Alright, hopefully that helps you. We'll see you in the next video.